Hi Leo, this is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Leo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 14th of June to the 20th of June. Yes, 20th of June. Leo, let's see what are the messages that pop out for you. I see a lot of cards are jumping, meaning you guys are either too overwhelmed or there is something that is making you feel anxious. It could be the energy surrounding us right now. You've got the Page of Pentacles, the Temperance, Ten of Wands, and Five of Swords. Leo, I will advise you to beware of people who wear a very friendly mask, but they do not have your best intentions at heart. And just remember that you need to trust people after you've put them to test. Okay, don't just have blind faith on people, because everyone changes and a lot of us are just trying to look for good in people, but there's not a lot of good left. So I'll just be very blunt and very clear to you, because I have my Leo in my moon sign and my emotions are always very Leo like, so I know how you guys function. Just cage your heart right now, because you're surrounded by people who wear a friendly mask. Leo, I see some of you working on your finances, on doing well in life, and being focused on your money, on things that truly matter to you, like work or business, or even if you're not working anywhere, you're just working on yourself. A Sagittarius person could be important to you, but this whole eclipse energy and how these planets are playing hide and seek with each other, that is causing you to get out of your comfort zone. But that whole idea of you getting out of your comfort zone is pushing you into balance, like it's restoring balance into your life. Your head and heart are in synchronicity, and you don't need to worry about being thrown off balance anytime soon, guys. You have the Ten of Wands. Some of you could be feeling overly burdened, and you see how this horse is feeling so burdened right now. Guys, yes, it is draining. These kind of energies that are surrounding us right now are draining, but try and ground yourself, try and surround yourself with things that you truly love, that you want to pursue, that just watch good shows, read good books, meditate if you like meditating, go on a run, jog. And if you can't exit your building or anything given the circumstances, if you have a room where you can just exercise for like 15 minutes, if not more, just move your body, let the energy start flowing, and you'll see how things just become better around you. If you're feeling burdened, you suddenly start feeling better. There are certain things that we just can't control, and by burdening ourselves, it's not going to work out. So wow, Leo, you're just getting scared and feeling burdened for no reason. Yes, there have been, I think some of you are feeling bad because you don't know whether to trust a person or not, because they've put you through this horrible energies. I just hope that this is not true, but some of you may be going through separation or breakups, or something that has jolted you out of happiness. Okay, a lot of you are just going towards a very happy future. I would like to say that all of you are going through it, going towards a very happy future. Patience is required right now, because nothing good ever comes easy, and everything that is meant for you, that is truly meant for you, comes at its own time. So just be careful and be happy and be patient. The card at the bottom of the deck is the King of Pentacles. If you guys are planning to get married, those who haven't gotten married and are planning to get married, this union is going to be a very fulfilling one, financially, emotionally, physically. There'll be a lot of compatibility, happiness, and I'm so sorry the camera shook. My dog decided to kick it. She's sitting right next to the table for some reason. Leo, just have patience. Be with your feelings. Never negate your gut feeling, Leo, because right now I'm feeling a lot of pressure on my throat chakra, which means some of you are suppressing your voice. Don't do that. Yeah, see, you've got the Eight of Swords. There's a lot of inhibitions and fears surrounding you right now. Trust me. Wow, you've got the Nine of Swords. Leo, these are some very heavy energies that I'm getting over here. Again, you have the Three of Wands. Your ships are coming in. You are moving towards a great future. You are carving a great future for yourself. You need to have faith and you need to be patient with yourself, Leo. Things are not going to work out this way if you feel stressed all the time. You've got the Seven of Earth. Whatever you have invested in, whatever money you've invested in, or bonds, or real estate, anything and everything that you've invested in bears fruit now. Your hard work is going to bear fruit very soon. Just keep at it. Keep going, Leo. You're on the right track. Just don't let these energies, look at these energies. I mean, they're so heavy. Why are you doing this to yourself, guys? Don't do that. Improving health, amazing, and success is here. Such amazing energies, and I still see that you are feeling scared and you feel as if you're surrounded by things that are not going to work out. Actually, it's the opposite. You're surrounded by things that are going to work out. Now, these are some extra cards that I like to draw for extra messages. What do you need to release? Don't let pride get in your way. Conclusions are within reach. Show the world the real you and believe in the impossible, Leo. Good cards, good energies. Really, Leo, I don't see anything wrong in your cards. All I see is you holding yourself back, and that's just really sad because you're coming in the way of your manifestations. Don't do that. Your your affirmation card. My capacity to tune into the energy of love gives me the words I need when I'm ready to speak up, the compassion I need when it's time to forgive, and the power I need when I'm lost. That's the last card for you guys. I hope this reading made sense. If it did, Leo, please like, share, subscribe because it means the world to me. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.